I'm making a 2-in-1 foaming lightening face and body scrub. This scrub is amazing. As you can see, my complexion, my knuckles, we have the knuckle kit if you want it. It's amazing. I'm gonna be doing a short promo for just 2 days, and this is just my bottle. Okay, subscribe if you haven't. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for following me. Sorry for the delay. I have a lot of video I've done, but to edit and upload it, I've been extremely busy. Thank you so much. And for those of you waiting for your products, please be patient. My ingredient, I'm still expecting one of my ingredients to come, and which is stuck in the custom, so I'm just waiting for them to finish and send it off. And yeah, let's start. I'm making a body scrub which is very good, effective for face and body, and you don't really need too much product because this is a wash off product, so you don't want to add too many ingredients, and ingredients are so expensive. That products I'm going to be using, this is Lightening oil. This will give up to 3 shades lighter. It's fantastic. This is a 42 hours oil. I'm also using this Glucose citron. It has 30 plus SP, and it helps with UV. I'm also going to be using Giga White powder, and Giga White powder is fantastic for skin lightening. Amazing. You can dissolve it in water, which I'm going to be putting in my water face. In the ingredient, once I'm done, just going to add it once at the coolant stage of 40 degrees Celsius. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to be measuring out the water first. Face, I'm making a 1000 ground, and at the end of the video I'm going to leave the measurement, so you need to watch this to the end. Yeah, so water, where's you don't want to use too much water in this formulation, because when you use too much water, it's sugar, you don't want it to dissolve. Anyway, yeah, I had it. I'm gonna leave it because by the time I steam it up, it's just gonna evaporate. Some of the water is gonna evaporate. I'm gonna remeasure again, and this is the water face. I'm using 4.4%. You can use 5%, depends on your measurement, but I'm doing 1000 grams. Just gonna leave it. I don't want to be talking when I'm doing things. And let me measure how the Giga White powder. I'm using 2. So this is the face A, the water, and the Giga White. I'm gonna put this at the last stage, coolant stage. The face B, I'm gonna be the face B, I will start by adding the cocoa. You can use your cocoa, protein, which is very good, but I'm going to be using this. This is purely organic cocoa glucoside. I'm using the cocoa glucoside. This you can get it from the soap. I'm going to be using 100. I'm going to mix it up with another of the foaming product. This is very good, organic. I'm making 10 grams of it, so I need like 10% of it, so I need like 100 grams to dissolve the foaming powder. These are foaming because it's gonna whitening, also foam while washing your body. And the next one I'm going to be adding to it is with sea buctin and aloe vera. So 30 plus 35, that is 65. So finally I'm going to be using this 35. We're going to use 60. So I have 35 more to put. About 20. So I'll complete it with the cocoa glucose side. 35. It just exceeded by 1%, so it doesn't really matter. It does matter. Anyway, we see. Yeah, this is the cocoa glucose side. So next I'm gonna add the glycerin. This is my glycerin. I'm using 5%, which is 50 grams of it. We want something to act like an humectant. So the next one is to add to use this powder. You can either use this or you can use the foaming powder, the SCI, sodium cocoa something, yeah. I'm gonna put the name so you can use either of it. I'm gonna be adding it into it, then dissolve it. This is gonna be my face B. Ensure you put on face masks. In the respiratory face masks, you need to put it on. So yeah, this is our face B. Then for the face C, I'm gonna be adding my oil, grapeseed oil. So I'm gonna be using mango butter. You can use shea butter, you can use any butter of your choice. So using 2%. So next is to put the stearic acid has as a cleanser. So yeah, I'm gonna be using 3%. Next is to use emulsifying wax, and this complete my face. See, so we have to put it in the double boiler. Come back. Just checking out the water. It's gonna be enough, so I have to add 3 grams more into it. And then we're gonna mix phase A and C together. So just mix it gradually. Stick blend it a little bit. Come from my hand blender. Then you add the face C into it. I mean, so I just blend a little bit because it's foaming. We don't want it to, and then I'm gonna leave it to cool down. Then I add the powder, add the oil. I'm gonna add the oil. It's a bit warm now because I'm if you want to fasten or hasten the cooling down stage, you can get a cold water and put this on top of it to cool it quickly. Okay, yep. So now I'm going to be adding the 42 hours oil. Whitening oil here. Now I'm adding the powders. I'll mix it before adding the sugar. Mix it, you see? So it's now I'm gonna add the preservative. So we need to add our polysolvate. So I'm using polysolvate 80 and polysolvate 20. Just little, not too much. Don't look at my hands, oh, my hand, you know. I've been formulating back to back non-stop. So now it's good to add our sugar. So I'm going to measure out my sugar. I'm using 60% of the sugar. So when you times it by 1,000, you divide by 100, 600 grams. You can add the spa salt and mix with the product. But in this case, you have to reduce the water further because you need to reduce the water. In this, I use 4.4% of the water. You can use 5%. But if you're adding salt, because we want the effect of that salt to also work, the percentage of the water has to be reduced to like 3% of the. So, and the oil will be increased a little bit so that it doesn't dissolve the oil. The salt, okay, but I'm not adding salt into it. I'm not adding not anyhow salt, spa salt, okay. You have the papaya, I've got different one, tomatoes, and it's got great fragrance. These are very good. I did a video, I'm gonna upload it, and yeah, let's add this bit by bit and you mix it. This out. Make sure your surface is clear. I'm gonna add it bit by bit. If you don't have polysolvate, you can add xanthan gum, okay? Just need to make sure you dissolve your xanthan gum with glycerin, okay? I'm using the fragrant lavender, and I'm also going to be using vitamin A For those of you that have got acne or bum, if your bum bottom, if you have acne in your bottom, some people they have rough patches in their, like a little bit of acne. We leave it to thicken up properly, to cool down. You'll see the effect. For those of you that are asking me, you don't need to put too much ingredient in it, okay? This is very effective, trust me. And I'm going to be using color on it inside. I'm using the royal blue inside, the royal blue. Hopefully, let's see how it goes. Just a little bit of it. Let's say a little bit. Just little. Look at how. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and let me show you how foamy this is. You see, very foamy. I don't know what is wrong with the lighting. Thank you. Bye.